Marhaba to all. I am Dr. Mahawar Siddiqui, a family physician. Measles or rubella is a viral infection that primarily affects children under 5 years. It's a vaccine preventable disease. It is characterized by fever, cough, sore throat, inflamed eyes, runny nose, complex spot, or rash. Measles signs and symptoms appear around 10 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Measles is infectious 4 days before the rash appears and ends when the rash has been present for 4 days. When someone coughs, sneezes, or talks, infectious droplets spread into the air, whereas other people can breathe them in. The infectious droplets can hang up in the air for about an hour. About 90% of people who haven't had measles or been vaccinated against measles will become infected when exposed to someone with the measles virus. Risk factors for measles include being unvaccinated, traveling internationally, having a vitamin A deficiency. Complications of measles include diarrhea and vomiting, ear infection, bronchitis, laryngitis, or croup, pneumonia, encephalitis. The vaccine is recommended between 12 and 15 months of age and again between 4 and 6 years of age. There is no link between MMR vaccine and autism. Post exposure vaccine given within 72 hours of exposure to measles virus to provide protection against it. Immune serum globulin when given within 6 days of exposure to the virus. They are 97% effective in protecting measles and protecting against it for life. Antipyretic medications, antibodies, vitamin A, drinking plenty of fluids, moisturizing the ear and nose, resting your eyes, all are included in the treatment modalities. Measles is spread by sharing drinks or food with someone with measles, kissing someone who has measles, shaking hands, holding hands, or hugging someone with measles, touching a surface the virus is on, and then touching your mouth, nose, eyes. From pregnant people to their babies, either during pregnancy, delivery, or while nursing. An estimated 107,500 people died from measles in 2023, mostly children under the age of 5 years, despite the availability of a safe and cost effective vaccine. Marhaba and take loads of care.